ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ವೆಬ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ದು ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪುಷ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಟು ದಿ repo, Azure Repo, and I'm going to create the CI pipeline, CD pipeline in the Azure Repo classic editor pipelines. Okay, let's start it. First, we'll open this Azure DevOps. Okay, and already I have created some project. Let me create new project. Okay, no organization, no, not organization. New project name. I can create. Wait, project name. I will give anyone like React demo. Okay. So here we need to select the Agile only. Okay. So let's select Agile. Okay. So let's create the project. Okay, we have created. So now today I'm going to show you this Git GUI. How to install this one? Okay, Git GUI. If you want, I'll give the download link in the description box. You can take it. Okay. So create a new repository. Okay. We need to tell them like which repository I'm going to create it. Mine is say React.js. I'm going to select this one. Okay, it's supposed to be empty. Then we'll come in another. What does that means? Git GUI, clone existing repository. Second, okay. Source is leave it, don't give anything. Let's select target. Target is this, okay. Oh, so it's totally need a new one now. It's okay. Where is that create new or clone existing? Open existing. Create new one. Wait, it's good. Okay, already I did it correct. I got it. So already I did get in it for that. That's why it's not coming. In that case, I have to go through like open existing one, clone existing one. I think clone existing one the answer correct. Source location browse. Then I need to select this one. Okay, where you want to put the target. Target also I can select same only. I think it will get this. Uh, always see. You remember this supposed to be always. This the target is supposed to be always empty. Let's create as a 4. Okay, do it. Clone it. So it's cloning. We have so many ways to clone it. Like we can clone it through the VS Code from the portal only directly we can upload it. I'll show there. So now what I need to do rescan. Supposed to come. Uh, one month. So tree explorer. Okay, explorer. Yeah, this is the right. Rescan. Stay, say now. Okay, let me pull. Where is it? React demo? What I created? Okay, repos. Then somewhere initialize. So then I will go here. Then I'll get this URL. Then give here arbitrary location. Push it. Let's see if we get any error or we get success. Oh, finally it's success. Okay, I think we have pushed the master branch. This is one big problem nowadays. We can change this on default. Okay, come to here branches, then make set as default branch. Okay, come to here. So now we got the code here. Okay. Mm, so let me create the in the C we have like public source code. This is I got from internet. So where is release by okay pipeline? First we need to create the CI pipeline. Always use the classic editor. Always this one. Okay. Project to demo master current continue. Then here we need to select the empty job. In the agent, it's always Azure pipelines as of now. Specification. Select the Windows latest. If you select Windows 19, it will throw an error. Okay. That's it. Next, add. Here you type npm once npm. Okay. Because since it's a React, we have to install NuGet package manager. This one. Okay. Another one. So in install it will be same npm install. But in the second one we'll make it this one as a build. Okay. Here also it will change. Just watch here. Here we'll select as a customer like however we want like that. That means customers. BU build. Command line arguments we have supposed to give run build. Okay. Run. Let me create the another one publish build artifact. Publish. Okay. This. So here what we need to change means probably okay, let it be. Path to publish we have to give the build. Okay, this is drop, everything will be same. Then save and have. Let's see whether it will can give commit any message. Okay, see I bet that doesn't match and save and run. Okay, here will be the challenge. Okay, let's go to the this agent before you see which repo then master branch I'm pushing. So agent started. Okay, this checkout initialize means it will first wait for the agent. So hosted agent. I mean so Microsoft hosted agent. Okay. So agent machine name, okay, it's got runner RVBJXT something. Current agent version this one. Runner image operating system current version. So it will get one agent server, okay, to run these pipelines. These are the details. When you will come to the this one, check out React demo. What it means, React demo is our repo, master is our branch. From this React demo repo master branch to its source, S means source, it's pushing to the source. Source means this npm machine, okay, like where it's going to run. Okay, let's No such file directory. DSK build. Mhm. Okay, we got one error. Okay, let's fix it. Live. Error, what error? npm build it's saying, right? In build somewhere I did wrong. Where I did? This is run build, right? Run builder, build run. No, run builder. Correct. Huh? Here build only, right? Public build. That is also correct. Then where? Working folder. Okay, I think this one is not. Okay. Working folder that contains packages. This one is not. Let's save it again. I removed this working folder path. Okay. So now let's see. Same way, okay? Pool agent Azure pipelines. Even we can create the our own self-hosted agents. But now I have not created. So agents then initialize means this agent initializing. Checkout means it will copy from our repo master branch to the source. Source means whichever the agent is running. Okay, to run this pipeline, it needs some server, right? So that server we are pushing. That is source. Okay, git init. See, d. Okay, inside that agent machine, d colon slash a slash one s. S means source. Okay, so from here to where it is pushing, it's pushing. It will convert totally as a artifacts. Okay, and let me show. Okay, source to the okay artifacts. Okay, but one more thing. One second. BA1S. BA1S git. Okay. So what? One second. Okay, fine. Totally, it will create the artifacts. Once whatever we have in the React demo master, that it will push to the source. In the source, then it will create the artifacts. A means artifacts. Okay, artifacts it will create. I think it's clear now. Okay, it's artifacts it will clear. Creates. Okay. Then if you see down, is there anything? No, nothing. Let's go to the npm install now. See, now it's completed, right? So it's going to install npm. See, if you want to do in the normal machine means we need to install that npm.exe file, right? But here we no need to install .exe file. Uh, agent will get install that one, but we have to provide the npm install command there. Okay, this is the one. So now npm install, then it will user okay artifact it's creating the big okay and command directory this one. In build what will happen? Here is the main. It will reduce the file size from like if it is our file size is like more okay it will reduce that. Where is our demo? Why refresh one second. Yes, reactive. Okay, whatever I'll just show you one second. Whatever we are pushed right, this will be more size. Okay, if you want I'll show in my personal account. Okay, see if you come here and go to Go to that size. Okay, let me show you. Okay, see, this size is properties 1.8 MB. Okay, because I have changed it to the build, created build, but original size it will be more. Where is it original? That somewhere in downloads. Okay, that's okay. It will be more. Okay, but whenever we push to pipelines, where is that pipelines? Here. Not artifact will be creating. I'll show that. Agent. Okay, this one I was. Okay. See here only. Okay, 715 KB it's showing here. But previously, how much it was showing? Here, 1.35 MB. So it's reduced, right? Almost. Okay. Off it is reduced. Okay. This is the things. Build means compiling the code and reducing the size of our code, whatever. So now we did it, build pipeline we did it. This we called as a CI pipeline. Okay. Let's go for the release pipeline. But before going release pipeline, I will create one web app. Okay. I'll show you them. Like let me create one web app. Resource group already there. Where is that? Web policy. Can you React demo web app? Okay. So code only runtime since we are running in the node JS application, so we'll select. Then this Linux plan pricing plan, I'll take this one another class. Okay, let's create now web app. To take time. Okay, creating. Meanwhile, creating this web app, I'll go through this release pipeline. Okay, go to click on this release pipeline, then go to the new pipeline. See this. Okay, is Azure App Service Deploy. You can select a, since I had already typed there, it's coming. You can select type here Azure App Service Deploy. Okay, you'll get like this. Okay, then apply. You can give here a dev prod like that. Okay, so then stages. So this is the main. Okay, artifact we have to add it from React demo. Where is that? React demo JS, which is our CI pipeline. Okay, then add it artifact. See, in release pipeline, we will get the CI pipeline output as a release pipeline input. I think you got my point. This is the React demo CI. This is a build pipeline we'll call or continuation integration. Okay. This output, whatever we get in this artifact, right? This becomes this CI pipeline output becomes CD pipeline input. Okay. So then click on this. You can rename this one React demo CI, right? It's showing some names. Then change to CD. Then click on this jobs. Okay. Come to here. Task question 4, that's okay. Azure Resource Manager, that's okay. Oh, why Azure subscription? It's supposed to come, right? Mm-hmm. This required, but you are not showing now. Why? Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what. Oh, service connection not there. Okay, fine. Let's do it. Create the service connections. Okay, I'll show this one. Okay, you select the app registration managed identity manual. Its secrets. Okay, then go to the subscriptions. So then go here. So I'm showing how to create the service connection. Okay, then the app subscription ID, subscription name, application or client ID. For that, we have to go to the enter ID. We need to create the what app registrations. Okay, come to your app registrations, new app registrations. Select a React demo app registration. Okay, register. So then, okay, this is the client ID. Give here. This is the tenant ID. Give here. Client secret we need to create. Okay, click on certificates and secrets. Then click on new client secret. Give a React demo. Okay. You can select expire date. Okay. 90 days, 3 months, 12 months, 18 months, 20. You can give custom also, like from when to when, today to tomorrow, like that. Some days you select randomly. Done. So this value you have to copy it, okay, because later you cannot see this one. That value you can give here. Service connection name, you saw right? Value for here I copied. This is the value. This is the app registration. React demo app registration. Secret ID not required. You have to copy the value. Okay. So service connection name you can give anyone, like React demo service connection. Then so this one have to give, okay, grant access permission to all pipelines. Otherwise, pipeline will get fail. Now still pipeline will get fail. I'll tell why. Because this whatever we created the app registration, right? That doesn't have the permissions. We have to assign the roles for that. For that, we need to go to the subscription. Okay, already I am in subscription. No, let me go to subscriptions, then access and control. Okay, let's try to open this one. So how to give the see we have created the app registrations, but that app registration doesn't have any permissions. How to give the permissions? How we will give the permissions? By going to the subscription, access and control, IAM, then add role assignment, then privileged, then contributor. You can go to that. Okay, next select members, then select the app registration demo. This way. Okay, then assign, review and assign. So now if I run that, it won't throw an error. Okay, it's adding anyway, it's added. Okay, added role assignment. Now if I give the verify, it won't throw error. See, verify, verification succeeded. Then verify and save it. Okay. So now you come to here. That time it was not showing, right? Because service connection was not. Let me refresh it. Okay. That's okay. We'll create new one now. Refresh. Let me refresh it. Where is please? Go to the new. Go to the Azure App Service deployment. Go to the artifact. Go select the React Demo CI. Add it. Click on jobs. It will suggest some names. You give React CD. Come here. This is not good. What's happening here? I'm already there, right? Service connection. Mm-hmm. Deploy Azure App Service. Think we have taken wrong one. Let me select this one. Let me remove this one. This and all live troubleshoot. Azure App Service. Azure App Service. Azure App Service. This is the correct one, right? Last time also taken some. Now it's KMC. That'll act like a strange. I don't know why. Okay, fine. Anyway, select this React demo service connection which we have created. Okay. Then service connection name, no, app service name, what we created? What is our app service name? React demo app. Okay. React demo app is not coming there, huh? Why? Once something is fishy. Which language I created? Linux. Okay, that's the biggest mistake. We didn't see that. Anyway, we don't have any option of how to create. Okay, let me go to app service, create new one, then select WebAssy, select React demo app one. Last time where we made a mistake. Here Linux by default it's selected or we left by default. Now we have to select the Windows. That's a mistake we did it last time. Now we'll correct it. Okay. So create it now. That's why that's not showing in our drop down. Okay. It's supposed to show our drop down, whatever the web app is created. This React front end web app and test web app one this I created previously. But now whatever I am creating, that's supposed to show now there. It will show. Okay. But we need to wait. Previously, what you did mistake, you right, you know, right? We selected the Linux operating system in the web app. That's why, because there we have selected the Windows. See, web app Windows. If you select the web app Linux, then that will come. There is no doubt in that. Things came. But I don't want to push now in the Linux. I'll push in the web app Windows only. Let wait to create. Okay, successful. It's created. React demo web app one. Then go to come here. It will show. See, it's came. React demo web one. Here is the main point. Okay, we need to give that build bar, like drop. Okay, this is the main. Okay, so then save it and run it. That's all. Create release. Okay, once you create the release, it will start like see release one has been created. You can go to the releases, then see it started to run. Wait, I'll show. Stage one progress. Okay, stage one means okay, you can change it. So it started. Downloading all required task, downloading build artifacts. Okay, it's initializing job now. Run an agent. Okay, before that I could have shown. I will show you. See, if you come here, wait and see. By default, it's showing by default one page right now, where web app is running and waiting for the content. Content means code. Okay, code. So after successful running this pipeline, okay, this pipeline still it's running. Once you click on this browse default domain, or like you here browse, it's showing, right? You click on this browse, server is not why? Let me click on default domain. Okay, I think it's deploying, that's why. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you, it's showing this one, right? By default page, by default home page, it won't show this one. After deploying, it will show whatever it is written in that React JS. Where is that? We go to the okay in this demo package.json, package.log.json, source, so many others. App.js. These are all jobs from the developer job. We won't write this all the codes. Okay. Just what DevOps engineer will do, he will push the code to the repo and he will create the CI pipeline that is build and CD pipeline that is release. That's it. If you get any error, he will let know the developer. That's what I'm doing here. See, now it's completed. Release pipeline. If you click this release, completed. So if you click that browse that domain, you won't get this. We get that HTML, whatever they written. Wait, let me show. See, got right? React.js front end one. Like home department, you can add it. Like, this is the main difference between this by default and this one. Because now we pushed that code to this web app. Okay. So this was the video I want to show you today. But I think if people are understand whatever I taught you till now. But if you want, I can go through one more time, like a glance. Okay, recap. What I did first, I have pushed this code React 4 because in that I have my code. Okay, in public. Like see this HTML and all have okay, index.html. If you click on this, it will show it. I'll show it. Okay, this page it will be there. It's not opening. It's taking time. Okay, anyway, so this it will be there. Whatever they written the programmer. That's programmer job. We won't care about that. And source like so many files, app.js and all there. Okay. What I did, I went to the Git GUI. Then I pushed from here to the clone existing repo. Then I selected. Then I pushed from here to the where this Azure Repos. Okay. I went clone. Then I selected this URL and I given there in the GUI. Okay. When I click on push, I given here. Okay. After code is came here and then I went to the pipelines. The new pipelines I created the Use the classic editor. Then where is my repo and project selected? Then empty job. Then agent, always select the Azure pipelines and latest one. Then I went here. Then I select. See, since we are our code is in Node.js, we are installing the npm. But if our code is in different languages, we have to install different. I think for Java, jar it will come like that. Okay, something like that. We have to install like this. But if it is in the case of HTML, we no need everything, all this. Just we need this publish art, build publish art. This one is it because HTML code in all the servers it will be there. No need to install manually. So this that agent will understand. Okay, they're pushing HTML. I have HTML already built in. So no need any external install. Okay, that's the main. If it is okay, if it is node means we have to install. There I told show you right. How to rename it will change your see change there. Then customer then and to click a run belt because npm will include run build and task. Okay, so we have created release pipeline. I mean, what is this? Ci means build. Then we went release. Then we have selected their new release pipeline. If you want to select here new release pipeline, then artifacts we given from the cd pipeline. Then stays we have clicked this Azure service, Azure app service. Then I came to job here. I have selected there whatever we created. Okay, so then I shown you right. Just I am showing you a recap for this. So this is what we did. What we did today. We have pushed our ready-made code, which is given by the programmer, to the Azure Repos. Then we created the CD pipeline. Then we created the no CI pipeline means build pipeline. Then we created the CD pipeline. That is release pipeline. So if if you have any questions, please put into the comments box. That's it for today. We'll connect again tomorrow or in next video. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.